Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to block and hide all notification in Android phone. Alright guys, to block and hide all notification, we have to activate our do not disturb mode. So first of all, we can go to our settings application in our Android phone. Then we have to open the notification setting right here. And here we can click on do not disturb mode to activate it. We can click on this toggle button to turn it on. Okay, and now the do not disturb mode in my Android phone has been activated, and all the notification in this Android phone will be blocked. And if you want to hide your notification as well, you can click on hide notification and click on this toggle button to hide all your notification. And right after you activate this feature, all the notification will be hidden. Alright guys, and that's how we can block and hide all notification in Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.